folks, we're back with another bad boy from my collection of old Ozone machines, and this one is the Airzone XT 14,000. Now this machine is a fairly good ozone machine. If you're looking to make high ozone output, this thing makes 14,000 milligrams per hour. That's actual ozone output, like my machines. Unlike some of the other machines that are being sold in the $400 to $500 range that claim to have high tens of thousands of milligrams per hour output. This one really does. And this is a machine, over a year and a half ago I shot a video of this machine showing you exactly what it looked like inside the machine and how it functioned. Now I'm going to show you what this machine looks like having been put on a crew for only 6 months' time. That's right, my men actually broke this machine again in 6 months of real field use. And what you see all accumulated on this shiny stainless steel that was once polished like a mirror is the salt that we use to prevent the mold from growing. And on this end of the machine, you'll see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 generator cells. There's a piece of ceramic tube, a bent thin piece of stainless steel, and in the middle we have a stainless steel rod. Each one of these generator cells makes 1/6 of 14,000 milligrams per hour. Now in the middle there's a huge array of transformers, and then there's another complicated circuit board because this machine has a digital timer. This is the on-off switch and then the timer switch, and then we've got a level settings A, B, C, D that engages 2, 4, or 6 of the generator cells at one time, and at the far end we've got another axial computer fan. This one is actually a little higher CFM output, about 135 CFMs, which is a decent fan for that type of a cross-flow fan. But again, all of the ozone is being made inside this ambient case, and that means all of this electronics gets exposed to the gas and oxidizes. The first thing that stopped functioning was the timer, and after that the switches. For a while my guys were making this function by setting a large hammerhead from a sledgehammer on top of it to keep it making the ozone. But I put this thing back in service on a real mold crew so you could see exactly what real abuse looks like and how fast you're able to kill a standard ozone machine. And again, this is just a thin piece of bent stainless steel case. I'm looking forward to dropping this because this hard plastic will definitely break when we do our dropping tests. And of course, this is a non-functional piece of equipment. This equipment retails for $1,899, and it only puts out 14,000 milligrams per hour. If you're looking for a 14,000 milligram per hour machine with a simple fan, my home 14,000 unit at $433 is the best one in the world. We'll be back in a second. I'm going to show you my very first prototype we ever built and then how we've evolved them over time.